So in this question, we have a circle and triangle. So they are telling us that O is the center of a circle. A and B are points on the circle. So A and B, as shown in the diagram. The chord AB, so this line, is extended through B to C. So from B, that line keeps on going all the way to C. And they are saying so that BC, this length here, is equal to radius of the circle. Okay, so that's first part of information. This is radius. And then from B to O, I have radius. What does that mean? That is an isosceles triangle. So that means that this angle and this angle will be the same. Okay. CO intersects the circle at D, so that's where we can see that, and at E, and here. And then D belongs to the line CO. Yes, we can see that. And then they are saying let angle BCO, so BCO. So this angle, let this angle equal X. That means this angle is X. So what do I need to do? Need to write angle AOE. AOE. So this angle, that's the final part in terms of X. So X will be included, not in terms of numbers alone. So we're not looking for a value of it. Okay, so let's start that. So we understand, so this is our starting point, obviously, because they gave us the information here. So all angle in triangle add up to 180, isn't it? So what will be the size of this angle? It will be 180 minus those two angles, so minus 2x. So that is 180 minus 2x. So that's one thing. Now, second part or second piece of knowledge that we can apply, it's either the fact that this is a straight line, okay, so that's one, and that's equal 180. So if I'm looking for this angle, that will be what? 180 minus 180, and then minus, 2x, it should be in bracket, yeah, because from everything, I take away this angle, so that's the angle. That means 180 minus 180 plus 2x. So that gives me this 2x. And the reason why I said two different theorems, because either we can look at it that way, or the other theorem is saying when you have a triangle and then this line is extended, it doesn't matter, that this angle here will equal to the sum of these two. Okay, and that's what we have, that this angle here is the sum of these two. Okay, what other thing we know, since we are following the idea of radius and radius? So that is radius as well. So if this angle is 2x, that means that this angle here is 2x, isn't it? What about this angle here? So again, all angle in triangle add up to 180. So from 180, if I take away 2x and 2x, that means that is 180 minus 4x. And that's this angle here, 180 minus 4x. That's where I'm going. Okay, so again, what idea am I using? All of that is a straight line. That means that angle is 180. So that 180 is built up of what? This angle x and this angle here, which is 180 minus 4x, and the angle I'm looking for, so that was angle AOE. So now I move the rest of the stuff to the other side, change the sign to each one of them. Therefore, I am left with angle AOE. Now 180 minus 180 is 0, and then I have minus x plus 4x. Together I have 3x. So there it is. We have our expression in terms of x for the angle that they were looking for.